Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus. This is where Profiles live. Once done, scan the list for the active profile. You want to stop it now. Make sure you have the device unlocked and the passcode if required, because some profiles need permission changes. You are not just turning something off, you are preventing reactivation, so check for schedules and location rules. If you see an icon next to a profile, that means it's active. Tap it to go straight into controls. You now enter the active profile and toggle it off. That stops notifications being silenced immediately. Next, review the automation section. Disable scheduled times, location triggers, and app-based start so the profile won't return unexpectedly. While here, adjust allow notifications to re-enable critical contacts and apps. You can add exceptions to avoid missing urgent messages. Once toggled off, confirm the status on the main focus screen. If the profile you finish by confirming focus is off in Control Center and the focus list, it should show no active badge. If it remains active, restart your device. A reboot clears background automation. Make sure Do Not Disturb is not separately enabled because that can look identical. If the profile keeps returning, delete it or remove automations permanently. This prevents future reactivation. One troubleshooting tip: sign out of any synced device profiles, because focus can reapply from another device signed into the same account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.